Hey Team Numis Canada, which are my subscribers, and coin collectors young and old, anyone else that might be watching, welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today may be a day that you've been waiting for, and this is that big old package from CanCan Collectibles. And we're gonna get into this today, but this isn't all that I have from CanCan. I also have this package, which kind of got beat up in the mail, but it's still intact. The stamps kind of got messed up, but they're cool stamps. This is a bioluminescent life, Forever the USA, and Sweet Corn, Forever USA, and National Park Preserve Wildlife WPA posters, Forever USA. Very cool stamps that I think I'll keep in the collection of stamps that I'm quickly gathering. So, I know you've been waiting for this one, but I think you can wait a little bit longer. We're gonna go into the little one first. So, please bear with me and empty, but I'm going to keep this for the stamps, so I'll just set that aside. And this is, oh, he's getting creative. He's using packaging instead of cards. And I believe these are auction rooms from his channel. Okay, well, that can go in the garbage. And here we have this is an Australian 20-cent piece, and it has a duckbill platypus, which is an endangered species, on this side. I know it's pretty hard to see that, but I'll take a picture of it so you'll get a better image of it. And of course, it's from Australia. And there is a younger Queen Elizabeth on here. And this is from, well, she's not really younger. No, she just looks good. Because this is a 2021 coin from Australia. And we have this one is a Tallgrass Prairie 2020 coin. And it's beautiful. And it is a W. Very nice. And the third coin from CanCan is a 5-cent coin. And I'm going to have to dig to see what the animal this is, but there's an animal kind of hugging a 5. Don't know if you can see that. And again, this is a 2020 coin. So three very cool coins from CanCan Collectibles. Now for what you've all been waiting for is this big package. And And there's his famous Bruce with peace and love. And so we'll open the card first. And of course, the package is still packaged. Lots of suspense. So, Bruce, peace. Thanks. Oh, I got a channel sticker too from CanCan Collectibles. Picture of him playing his guitar. Triple C fine. And this is 55 of 70. Peace and love, CanCan. Very cool. To NumisCanadawithBruce, 521. Hello, NumisCanadawithBruce. Happy to hear that these sets are getting you closer to completing the U.S. State Quarters collection. Be well, and peace, CanCan. So that gives away a little bit of what this is. And I'll have to see what I'm left needing to collect. It's probably going to be easier to keep these out one at a time. 2005 State Quarter set. 2003 mint proof set. 2002 mint proof set. 2001 mint proof set. And 2000 mint proof set. How cool is that? So we'll start off and take a quick look at all of these. Most Americans will know what these are, but they are there's the year 2000 coins with the Sacagawea dollar, the Lincoln penny, the Jefferson nickel, the half dollar, and the dime. And there's the other side of those beautiful, these are beautiful condition. Very cool. And the quarters this year were Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia. There we go. Very nice. And of course, Washington on the reverse. And of course, these are minted by the San Francisco Mint. Very nice. So I will leave everything out so that it can be shown at the end. And put the paper back in. And here we have this is the 2001 set. Beautiful sets. And of course, and in 2001 State Quarters, we have New York, South Carolina, Rhode Island, Kentucky, and Vermont. And of course, in the 2000 mint set. 2002 mint set. Okay, and we have the 5 multi-denominational coins, the quarter, the half dollar, the dollar, the penny, the dime, the nickel. The quarter's not here. It's in the state quarter section. And there's the other side. Very, very nice. And in these 5, we have Tennessee, Ohio, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Virginia. And of course, Washington himself. In 2003. And the state quarters, we have Illinois, Alabama, Maine, Arkansas, and Missouri. I had to double check what I was reading there. Wasn't sure if it was Mississippi or Missouri, but it's Missouri. Very nice. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 2005 quarters, state quarter proof set. And this is California, Minnesota, Oregon, Kansas, and West Virginia. And here we go. So I think I'm missing 2004. Is all I need to complete this. Beautiful coins. So there you have it. My big package from CanCan with 5 years of state quarters. Thank you, CanCan. And here we have these 3 coins. Thank you, CanCan, and anybody who hasn't yet subscribed to CanCan, or at least checked out his channel, by all means, do. Because if you look at this closely, he not only has auctions and giveaways, and he is also a musician and plays and sings. That's why I love his channel. So give CanCan a big, let's just, everybody that watches this, go ahead and raid CanCan and say this is a Numis Canada with Bruce raid when you do it. And let him know that we love him and support his goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers. He's actually at the point of almost breaking 1,000 subscribers, but I was a little bit enthusiastic in my previous shout out. So let's wish him well. Take care, everybody, and thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.